promoting solar deployment in Indonesia, Singapore, Indonesia, workshop and business matching.
Places, if these three blocks are in place, then the private sector would come in.
The capacity only 15% of the total capacity of the consumer.
Spirit of collaboration. We don't intend to do this alone. We can collaborate with local partners, with other international companies, right? Whether it's a government and PPP, the public-private partnership as well.
Introduced back in 1988. It's taken us, 35 years now, and we're just forming the patterns, I would say, that would actually lead us to the goals that we need to meet.
Say we have 25% target for electricity, so we have to produce with that around 130 terawatt hour. Currently we have only around 40 to 45 terawatt hour per year from renewable.
Think about the margins for specific projects, they are relatively thin, and one of the things that each developer has to manage is the actual volatility of the price of the module itself.
All speakers and participants for attending this event. We truly hope that the discussion has been meaningful and reaching for everyone.
On day one, we do all the high-level plenary sessions. It's quite ministerial in nature on day one. And then on day one, we do a deep dive into some of these topics.
Good morning, I'm Sarif from JJ Indonesia. We are distributor of Huawei inverter, Trina PV module, and also this manufacturing of JJ cable, and also a partner of Clean Energy Mounting. We are quite happy to attend this event, this 2 days fruitful gathering, and we can know each other from other EPC, other developers, and also the important one, we also know the market from Singapore. We know them, we know the PIC, we know the people from Singapore. So hopefully in the next time we can have good collaboration with Singapore, especially in the PV market. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Siabe Supit. I'm from China Solar with I'm handling for Indonesian market. For this event for 2 days, I think it's good. We can build a relationship between a Singaporean company and Indonesian company. Hopefully, this event not only once, but we can make it repeatedly annually, or minimum is 2 years in once lah. I think that's all from me. keep it up. So maybe we can have another good relationship and good networking with all of us. And definitely it will be make a green company, green environment for Indonesia, for everything who involved in this community. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Douglas Duncan. I'm the head of strategic development for Duo Power Group, a battery company from Singapore. We're quite excited to participate in this event today, bringing together companies from Indonesia and Singapore to look at future collaboration for solar and battery projects. We're very excited to meet a lot of people. Thank you to all of the participants as well as the organizers for a successful time. Thank you.
Hello, hi, my name is Kalap. I'm from Clean Kinetics Private Limited. We are a solar PV company in Singapore. I attended this event yesterday and today. I find it very, very good, to be honest, because it brought together all the industry players, including the government sector people as well. So it allows us to have a very quick and broad understanding of the solar market in Indonesia. This event was very well organized in a very nice hotel setting. The arrangements, the agenda, the topics discussed were very well brought out, and the participation by all the members in this event was all very knowledgeable in their own fields here. So yeah, I think it's a very productive and good event that I attended. Thank you so much.